Rightio, hello all, and welcome to a quick and dirty video installing a new camera mount system for my HJC i70 helmet. So thanks to the team at Motomount, I have a very nice helmet specific action camera holder, I guess you call it. So this is going to replace all of the girder work that I've been using previously with all your standard mounts. So if this works nicely, I'm going to pull this off and reuse it somewhere else where it's a bit more useful. So here's the kit as it comes. So it comes with a bit of rubbing alcohol to clean it, and it comes with the mount with its own special little extender arm. It's 3M sticky glue, and it's just going to go right there center. So yeah, let's chuck it together. Not gonna lie, it's a very nice touch that they include the rubbing alcohol to clean the area where you're going to mount it. You don't get that with your standard GoPro accessories and all that kind of jazz. So I'll use the extra bit of it to wipe off some of the bugs and crap that's on the rest of the helmet while I'm at it, waiting for it to dry. Sweet. So 1 second and I will go get a cloth and we'll dry that off. Rightio, nice cloth. Give that a bit of a dry. Sweet. So we're just going to, already mocked this up previously, so we're just going to remove the backing peel off the 3M sticky gunk. I don't actually know what the stuff's called, but and we're just going to line this up nicely in the center. So pretty much center. Squeeze it on. Perfect. Sweet. So that is mounted up nicely. We'll leave that on for a few minutes. I'll get my GoPro clamp or something to just make sure that's on nicely. Give it a bit of pressure. But yeah, specifically designed to not impede the airflow to your face vent. So nice and easy. Just like that, job done.